돼지고기, 돼지고기.
돼지고기 맛있어요.
무슨 맛이 있어요? 돼지고기, 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 돼지고기 싸주세요. That was it. Welcome back, everyone, to Niki B English with Niki and
Jenny.
Today we will start lesson 9. What day is it today?
오늘 우리는 구단원 What day is it today를 배울 것입니다.
Our objectives today are to, number 1, learn the days of the week, and 2, learn the following expressions. What day is it today? It's blah blah, and that's great.
오늘의 학습 목표는 요일을 묻고 답하는 것입니다.
There will be 4 parts.
4가지 활동을 할 것입니다.
First, vocabulary.
첫 번째, 어휘를 배워봅시다.
Second, sentences.
두 번째, 문장을 익혀볼까요?
Third, let's practice.
세 번째, 익힌 어휘와 문장을 연습해봅시다.
And fourth, let's review.
네 번째, 복습해봅시다.
Are you ready? Let's get started. First, vocabulary. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
단어입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Monday,
월요일,
Tuesday,
화요일,
Wednesday,
수요일,
Thursday,
목요일,
Friday,
금요일,
Saturday,
토요일,
Sunday,
일요일,
weekdays,
평일,
weekend,
주말,
today,
오늘,
tomorrow,
내일,
yesterday.
어제.
Second, sentences. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
이번엔 문장입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
What day is it today?
오늘은 무슨 요일입니까?
It's blah blah.
뭐뭐 요일이야.
That's great.
신난다.
Third, let's practice. What day is it today?
What day is it today?
What day is it today? It's Fourth, let's review. Today we learned
오늘 우리는 이것을 배웠습니다.
1. The days of the week, and 2. The expressions what day is it today? It's blah blah, and that's great. Please review your words and sentences.
단어와 문장을 복습해 주세요.
Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Goodbye.